K-Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel. Korean stars who's born in October. Kim Sun-ah. She was born on October 1, 1973. She is best known for the K-drama My Name is Kim Samsun in 2005 and latest drama Queen of Mast. Kam Woo-sung. He was born on October 1, 1970. He is best known for the K-drama Alone in Love in 2006 and Should We Kiss First in 2019. Jung Joon-ho. He was born on October 1, 1970. He is best known for the K-drama Sky Castle in 2019 and From Now On Showtime in 2022. Hwang Bora. She was born on October 2, 1983. She is best known for the supporting role in What's Wrong with Secretary Kim in 2018 and Crash Course in Romance in 2023. Yoon Eun-ye. She was born on October 3, 1984. She is best known for the K-drama Copy Prince in 2007 and Lie to Me in 2011. Go Soo. He was born on October 4, 1978. He is best known for the movie Love 911 in 2012 and K-drama Missing the Other Side Season 1 and 2. Song Sung-hoon. He was born on October 5, 1976. He is best known for the K-drama Autumn in My Heart in 2000, Dinner Mate in 2020, and latest drama Black Knight. Song Jong-ho. He was born on October 5, 1976. He is best known for the supporting role in A Korean Odyssey in 2017 and latest drama Was It Love in 2020. Park Joo-mi. She was born on October 5, 1972. She is best known for the K-drama Love, Fit, Marriage and Divorce Season 1, 2, and 3. Yoo Ah-in. He was born on October 6, 1986. He is best known for the K-drama Passion King in 2012 and Chicago Typewriter in 2017. Ko So-young. She was born on October 6, 1972. She is best known for the K-drama Miss Perfect in 2017 and married to actor Jang Dong-gun. Han Sun-hwa. She was born on October 6, 1990. She is best known for the K-drama School 2017 and Backstreet Rookie in 2020. Yoon Ji-won. She was born on October 7, 1994. She is best known for the supporting role in The Game Towards Zero in 2020. Kim Young-min. He was born on October 8, 1972. He is best known for the K-drama Battle of Jangsari in 2019 and Law School in 2021. Park Hyo-joo. She was born on October 8, 1982. She is best known for the K-drama Now We Are Breaking Up in 2022 and latest drama Revenant. Bae Suzy. She was born on October 10, 1994. She is best known for the K-drama Bagaban in 2019, Startup in 2020, and her latest drama, Duna. Kim Sul-gi. She was born on October 10, 1991. She is best known for the K-drama Splash Splash Love in 2015 and The Low Cafe in 2022. Ha Yeon-soo. She was born on October 10, 1990. She is best known for the K-drama Rich Man in 2018. Bae Doona. She was born on October 11, 1979. She is best known for the K-drama The Silent Sea in 2021 and Kingdom Season 1 and 2. Im Won-hee. He was born on October 11, 1970. He is best known for the supporting role in Crazy Love in 2022 and Dr. Romantic Season 1, 2, and 3. So Kang-joon. He was born on October 12, 1993. He is best known for the K-drama Are You Human in 2018 and When the Weather is Fine in 2020. Jo Yoon-hee. She was born on October 13, 1982, and she is married to actor Lee Dong-gun. She is also best known for the K-drama The King's Space in 2015 and Beautiful Love, Wonderful Life in 2020. Kang Ki-young. He was born on October 14, 1983. He is best known for the K-drama Extraordinary Attorney Woo in 2022 and latest drama The Uncanny Counter Season 2. Kim Mi-kyung. She was born on October 14, 1963. She is best known for the drama It's Okay Not to Be Okay in 2020 and Forecasting Love and Weather in 2022. Choi Myung-gil. She was born on October 15, 1962. She is best known for the K-drama Durian's Affair in 2023. Lee Dong-hae. He was born on October 15, 1986. He is a former member of the K-pop boy group Super Junior and best known for his latest drama, Oh Young-sim. Kim Ah-jung. She was born on October 16, 1982. She is best known for the K-drama Live Up to Your Name in 2017 and Grade in 2022. Kim Yoon-suk. She was born on October 16, 1978. She is best known for the supporting role in Are You Human in 2018 and Business Proposal in 2022. Cha Jung-won. She was born on October 18, 1989. She is best known for the supporting role in Lawless Lawyer in 2018. Kim Ji-won. She was born on October 19, 1992. She is best known for the K-drama Fight for My Way in 2017 and Art Dark Chronicles Season 1 in 2019 and her upcoming K-drama Queen of Tears with Kim Soo-yeon. Lim Hwa-young. She was born on October 20, 1984. She is best known for the K-drama Trap in 2019 and A Superior Day in 2022. So Shin-hye. She was born on October 20, 1998. She is best known for the supporting role in Solomon's Perjury in 2016. Park Ha-sun. She was born on October 22, 1987. She is best known for the K-drama Drinking Solo in 2016 and The Veil Season 1 and 2. Kim Han-bin, also known as B.I., born on October 22, 1996. He is formerly member of the K-pop boy group iKON. Lee Ki-woo. He was born on October 23, 1981. He is best known for the K-drama Dr. Detective in 2019 and My Liberation Notes in 2022. So In-guk. He was born on October 23, 1987. He is best known for the K-drama Doom at Your Service in 2021 and Cafe Minandang in 2022. Lee Young-ah. She was born on October 23, 1984. She is best known for the K-drama Vampire Prosecutor Season 1 and 2. Shin Won-ho. He was born on October 23, 1991. He is best known for the K-drama Legend of the Blue Sea in 2017, and Hip Hop King in 2019. Crystal Jung. She was born on October 24, 1994. She is best known for the K-drama The Hearts in 2013, Police University in 2021, and Crazy Love in 2022. Kim Ji-soo. She was born on October 24, 1972. She is best known for the K-drama Hwarang in 2017 and High Class in 2021. Yosop. He was born on October 24, 1966. He is best known for the supporting role in The Tale of the Nine-Tailed Season 1 and Dr. John in 2019. Kim Ki-doo. He was born on October 25, 1982. He is best known for the supporting role in 100 Days My Prince in 2018 and Psychopath Diary in 2019. Kim Ye-ja. She was born on October 25, 1941. She is best known for the K-drama The Light in Your Eyes in 2019 and Our Blues in 2022. Nara. She was born on October 26, 1974. She is best known for the K-drama Sky Castle in 2019 and Alchemy of Souls Season 1 and 2. Han Ye-jin. She was born on October 27, 1981. She is best known for the K-drama The Torn Birds in 2011 and Divorce Attorney Shin in 2023. Oh Yun-soo. She was born on October 27, 1971. She is best known for the K-drama Jumong in 2007 and Military Prosecutor Doberman in 2022. Kim So-young. She was born on October 28, 1973. She is best known for the K-drama Temptation of White in 2008 and Mine in 2021. Lee Ji-hoon. He was born on October 29, 1988. He is best known for the K-drama The Legend of the Blue Sea in 2017 and River Where the Moon Rises in 2022. Lee Chung-ah. She was born on October 29, 1984. She is best known for the K-drama Awaken in 2021 and her latest drama, Celebrity. Jun Ji-yoon. She was born on October 30, 1981. She is best known for the movie My Sassy Girl in 2001 and K-drama My Love from the Start in 2014 and Jirisan in 2021. Hwang Sung-un. She was born on October 31, 1988. She is best known for the K-drama I'm Not a Robot in 2018 and New Normal Sign in 2022. Lee Sung-yub. He was born on October 31, 1992. He is best known for the supporting role in Best Chicken in 2019 and Shooting Star in 2022. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.